Open your GoDaddy account and navigate to Domain section. In the Domain section, click on DNS button on the domain which domain you want to point to Namecheap. Here in the DNS settings page, you will see Nameservers tab. Click on Nameservers tab. Click on Change Nameservers button here. Now click on I'll use my own Nameservers option. Now copy the Nameserver 1 and Nameserver 2 and paste into here in domain Nameservers. And click on Save. Sometimes it can ask you some additional verifications. Click on Continue and Verify button. GoDaddy sent an email with a code. Check your email and paste code here in the box. Now the Nameservers and successfully changed and domain is pointed to Namecheap Hosting Account. It can take 4 to 72 hours to update DNS. It depends upon your selected server and GoDaddy DNS system. Keep refreshing your domain. Now to check the DNS record updates, you can go to dnschecker.org. Here you can check the DNS updates. Paste your domain into the domain box and select NS from the drop-down. Click on Search button. Now you can see our Nameservers are updated successfully and updated. If your domain is not updated on your own PC, you can clear your browser cache. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.